let's make my mommy's tomato and onion salad with vinegar.
It's super yummy, and we're just coming into the time of the year when tomatoes are in season and so good.
These?
No, these weren't from our garden. These we got from the farmer's market, and we're just using small Roma tomatoes for this. We're not going to use the larger beefsteak tomatoes.
That's my daddy in there.
Yeah, he was helping me out since my hands were feeling yucky that day. And he just removed the core of the tomato, and now he is dicing it.
Dicey. You're gonna wanna dice it.
I guess he's not really, like, dicing it finely, though. It's more of, like...
A squarey. Square it up. Square it up.
Okay, I guess it's more like a coarse dice. And you want them to all be about the same size.
There's an onion. Cover your eyes. You could cry.
Well, if you put the onion in the fridge, it will actually make it easier for you to chop. It's something to do with the way the chemicals interact with your eye. I know. But you do want to use a red onion and not a yellow or a white onion. Right. They do look purple. They're super pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. Why are they called red onions when they're purple?
Because the skin is a little bit more reddish, I think. If I had to take a guess, that would be why. And you're going to slice this. By the way, you need 4 to 5 medium tomatoes and half to a whole red onion. Sliced, not diced. Dicing, I feel like, gives you too much bite, whereas the slicing is...
dice.
Thank you.
You do a slice for this onion.
I felt like you were going to say for ice just because it rhymes. Like you were really dropping your verses there.
Nah.
So now we're...
I may be musical, but I'm not using that term.
Now we're putting the onion into the tomato, and we're just...
We're mix.
Right, and just do it very gently so that you don't hurt the tomatoes. That is olive oil and red wine vinegar and lots of fresh garlic.
Garlic.
What's that?
Yo.
That was...
Salt and pepper, yo.
And now we've got some fresh torn or gently chopped basil. You don't want to cut it too finely. And you also don't want to chop it like aggressively because the basil will bruise and be bitter.
Mix.
Yep, and you don't need to refrigerate the dressing. If you want to let it sit for the flavors to come together, let it sit on your counter and then just pour it right on over your tomato salad.
And then guess what we're doing now? We're mix.
Yep, and you want to be gentle with the mixing because, again, you don't want to damage the tomatoes. Tomatoes are pretty delicate. Yes, delicate. And that's it. You are ready to serve this for lunch with a nice piece of bread or as a side. The full recipe is on my website, seasonsprinkles.com.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.